Hi, for today's teardown, one more aircraft panel. We have here a bug control panel, whatever it is for. So it is called in French control silhouette on trace, which translates by control of figure on trace, made by Cruise Company. Type number 64, serial number 60. Manufacturing date of 22 March 67, made by Cruise in Valence, France. So the controls we have on this thing for bug is lamp, hold reset, style, and trace lamp on and off, film, fast forward, rewind, and mark, and a kind of joystick control. So it makes me believe it could be for some kind of a camera pod or surveillance camera or something like this. I'm not really sure. On the back just one regular connector. So let's pop it open. And here is what we have. Regular cover. So it is interesting because I can see relays which look very much like off-the-shelf relays, not aircraft grade. I see some nice micro switches, some resistors on the side. So first I will open here the back cover in order to have a little bit of a better view on the thing. I expect no screw will be stuck. We have a nice manufacturing date inside the relays here of May 1966. Oops, excuse me. Okay. This one is copyrighting. And does this one copyright? Yes, no. I will be right back. Okay, so, and I did just notice here on the side we have a manufacturing label of another company, which is a team company. And the serial number, as you can see, was 62. They did hide it with a cross, and they did write 60 instead. Quite a bit how you doing. And actually I had in the past other stuff from this team company, and it was not impressive at all, so I did not keep it. And look at this. We have in the middle of the relays a vacuum tube holder, but it looks like it is not for a vacuum tube. But first we will check that. A little circuit board with one transistor mounted on the side in this plastic lamp, one capacitor, one resistor, nice wire harness. On this panel here, this circuit, we have what seems to be two relays, two transformers potted in a clear green compound, and a set of resistors, nothing special. About this joystick now, as you can see, it is spring contacts like in old telephone equipment. So it is not at all dust proof or anything. And pretty cheap construction for aircraft equipment. So just 4 of them in each one of the directions, but it is really the kind of stuff you find in old phones from the same era. So a little bit surprising for aircraft equipment. The switches here are nice micro switch. About the relays, they are box standard relay from this company, but really regular industrial relays on sockets you could find in any piece of equipment, not at all aircraft grade. And we have maybe the most interesting part in this. Yes, in this tube holder is actually at least a good part. ACRM, Compagnie des Compteurs, so Compteurs Company, in Montrouge, France, it is near Paris. We have schematic here, just one coil on one contact, and it is a time relay of 60 seconds. Works in 24 volts alternative, same era of manufacturing, and at least this is a proper aircraft and military grade equipment. Nice stamp at the back, at the top, with yes, it fits in a regular tube socket, and it is properly sealed and shielded and everything. So this is maybe the only decent part in this thing. Quite interesting. A little bit disappointing, but still it is interesting to have a bug control panel. I do not see any wires going inside the front for backlight. It looks like it is a clear backlight material, but I see nothing for backlight. So let me check real quick if it is possible. Regular bulb holder with dimmer here, and regular, what is it again, 327 aircraft bulb. So I will remove this front panel. Oh, at least this screw is not stuck in place, it is good. It will allow me to clean behind anyway, and check for any backlight feature, but I do not think we have anything. Okay, one more screw to undo. And it should come. I must make sure there is not another screw elsewhere. Oops. Here we are. Made by Claropan VibraShock, June 1966. And yes, a lot of dust, but no backlight. And here is what it looks like without the front panel. So, where the piece of equipment, here we have no idea at all of what it is for. I will try to investigate a little bit, but if I find any information, I will link in the video description, but really obscure piece of equipment here. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, share, comment, and check my more than 1000 other videos. Bye bye.